Hey everyone, welcome back to the Reclaim Ranch. My name is Tara, and so for today's video I have an obsession with decoupage paper, and I have 34 new decoupage papers I wanted to show you and 3 more transfers. So that's what the video is going to be about today, but it's going to be super exciting because you're going to love these designs. So from Redesigned by Prima, we have what's called Pretty in Peach. It's these really gorgeous florals in all different kinds of peach hues and tones. You get 3 different sheets. It shows you on the back here. And you can make it all into one. You can see it kind of all goes together, or you can cut them up and use them separately on different projects. So I thought this was just a gorgeous color. It can also be used somewhat in fall and summer. And then we have what's called Natural Splendor. These are very muted tones, and I love the florals, the greens, the color. And this one comes in 2 very long strips, so it can cover quite a bit. And you can get either a lot of projects out or do like a big dresser. You can see they kind of did some kind of a dresser. Very pretty. And then I ended up getting some lavender because I didn't have any lavender all year long. And somebody had asked me for some. So this is called Champ de Lavande, I guess. Very pretty, very detailed lavender, and it comes in 3 separate pages. So I just thought I would have this on hand just in case somebody needed it for a specific project, or you know, we can always use it next spring as well. So those were kind of fun, and I did get a whole bunch more stamps and molds and decoupage paper that I can't quite put out just yet, so that'll be another video upcoming. But I did get some really fun decoupage papers, so I'm going to try and I have a lot of these already uploaded onto my website, but I'm going to work tonight and tomorrow, so hopefully all of them will be uploaded by tomorrow afternoon. So this one's called The Old Letter. It's a very, very cool vintage vibe to it. These are all rice papers. But, you know, it's got that old handwriting, typography look to it. And it looks like it's like a couple of different letters. But that's just a lot of fun. I love that kind of vibe, the old one. And then we have another one here called Old Letter Document Quad. So these are different documents. There's 4 of them. That's why it's called the quad. And you can use this for like a background. It's always fun to put like different stamps or transfers on top of these and stick them in a frame. Very pretty. And I also got, it says Gotta Have Faith. I thought this was super pretty. It's got a kind of a moody background by the church, but look at how pretty this is with the cross and the Bible, the florals, just super pretty. And this one is called Fall Floral Bouquet Minis. These would be great for like little tags, just if you need a little something for your project, don't know quite what it is, you can add one of these little minis to it, and it will just bring it up a notch a little bit. Those mushrooms are cute too. This one is called Wildflower. And I also have this one in a quad where it has this whole thing in like 4 different, so if you wanted to do it for smaller projects, that would work really well, but very vibrant, great for fall. I don't see a lot of wildflowers in the fall. And this one's called More Colorful Mushrooms. But these are so cute, I thought. Very detailed, lots of color. Can go on quite a few projects. And I just love the color of this for fall. This one's called Lots of Poppies. Go this way or the other way. but those oranges and peaches are so pretty. And these are all the 8.5 by 11, so they consider them an A4 size. This is called Beautiful Birds Minis. And it is a spring kind of vibe to it, but I just love birds. They're cute all year round. I do have some Christmas birds coming up, but I couldn't pass these up. This was a new design that they got in, and once I saw it, I had to have it. And this one is a botanical called, I think it's called herbarium or herbarium, however you say herbs or herbs, but super pretty. Has lots of different types of florals on it and very pretty. And this is that same wildflower one. It's just, actually it's different. There's different wildflowers on there. Huh. Super cool though. Same kind of vibe, just 4 different types of wildflowers. This is the big one I think that I have. And then I love these. This is called Fall Squares, and I'm gonna make some tags, I think, for Friday's video out of these. So pretty. Kind of more of the muted tones. Look at this one though, all the little scenes there. How pretty is that? And then we have Autumn Floral Pumpkin Quad. So again, we've got nice muted colors, different pictures of the pumpkins with the florals, and then you get 4 different ones. And this is called Watercolor Pumpkins and Floral Vase. Very pretty. This one alone would be just gorgeous in a frame, but it's got its own little detailed frame. Sorry, my fan's blowing this around here. And it's just super, super pretty. I think it would just look really cute with like some doilies and some little tiny pumpkins or acorns around it. And then this is the Autumn Pumpkin Floral. So it's the same as one of those quads, just a bigger picture. Still very pretty. I like the typography in the background. Looks like one of those letters. And then of course, gotta have the farm truck. So this is called Truck at Home. And it's got an old house, old barn with an orange truck and a lot of pumpkins. I thought this was super cute as well. And then this is a size A3. It's called Pumpkin Scene. A lot bigger, but super pretty. Love the teal colors and the pumpkins. That's kind of what I'm going towards this year. It's more of the blues and teals. I thought that was really pretty. All right, now let's get into some Christmas. This one is called the Winter Bird Quad. So you get 4 different types of birds. Look at how pretty that snowfall is. I'm almost ready for snow because it's been 100 and something degrees here for the last couple weeks. It's so hot. This one is Christmas Squares Houses. So this would make excellent tags too, I think. They're just about the right size for a little wooden tag or make great gift tags. White Christmas Icons. Same thing, they're little, but they're so cute. Would make some fun tags. Or of course you can decoupage them on anything. And I like this scene, it's so pretty. It's called The Rustic Christmas, and it's just a letter in the background, some Christmas foliage around the edges there, and a beautiful tree with some houses in the background, snow falling. Just a gorgeous winter scene. Okay, I had some of the fall owls, so we had to get some Christmas owls. These guys are so cute. I love their eyes and their little pudginess. And I'm hoping that my order got through because I only ordered on accident one of these, and I tried to reorder and I think they were sold out, but I'm definitely going to try and get more. It's called Christmas Animals, but I love this one. It is so cute. That little hedgehog. It's just darling. And these are the adorable winter birds. Got a little hat on. And they get a little smaller as you go to the bottom, but then you can get a lot more projects out of them. And this is super cool too. It's called Vintage Santas. And I think I want to make some ornaments out of this one because they're round. But look at those Santas. So you have two different types of Santas and different sizes all the way down. So I thought that was so cool. And this is Christmas Mix and Santa. So you got a snowman, a cardinal, and then the Santa Claus down at the bottom. They sure came out with a lot of really cool looking Santas this year, I think. And if you saw my last video, I had the old bucket with the squirrels. So this is called the old bucket with the Christmas cardinals. Very pretty. And for all my snowman people out there, this is called the Snowman Trio. I used to be big into snowman, and lately I've kind of geared more towards Santas, but we all know the true reason for the season though. It's Jesus' birthday, so just had to get that out there. This is Christmas Stag Duo. Very pretty. So one has more of a muted background, and then the other one is more of like an oval shape to it. And I love this one. It's called the Sepia Winter Stag. Sepia, I don't know, it's the coloring of it. But so pretty. Love this scene. And this is called Vintage Christmas. Very cute. Little teddy bear. We've got a vintage Santa. See what I'm talking about? How cool they look. Little bunny and a sheep. And then I did get the big vintage Santa on one of those because I thought this was just super cool. See how they put that background in there, the typography. It looks like letters. Looks like he's reading his little list. Naughty or nice list. And then this is the front door Santa, which, yep, it looks like those ones that used to be hung on the front doors. So you get one with a little bit more color in the background and one that has just a white background. And this is called Country Christmas. This is an A3 size. So there's that famous red truck with the tree in it and a really old farmhouse in the background. And this is Holly Jolly Santa. Let me pull it back a little bit and I'll bring it forward. He looks so realistic to me. He's got all the holly stuff with him, holly berries. And the last one is called the Christmas Stag, and it's size A3. So here you can put that in a really nice, good size frame, and that would be really pretty. So let me know, y'all, what you think. What one's your favorite? Like I said, I'm going to be working tonight and tomorrow morning trying to get all of these up on the website live. I got probably at least 75% of them up. So I just have a few more to go. And then you're welcome to start buying and getting those projects done. And for Friday, I'm going to use some of these decoupage papers on some projects. I've already got some ideas. So we'll see you then. You guys have a great week and take care. Bye.